Blue Ocean Strategy by W. Chan Kim and Renée Mauborgne offers a revolutionary way of thinking about business strategy. The authors envision the market as two types of oceans, red and blue. Red oceans versus blue oceans. Red oceans symbolize all the industries in existence today. It's a known market space where industry boundaries are defined, and companies try to outperform their rivals to grab a greater share of existing demand. As the market gets crowded, the potential for profits and growth decreases. For instance, consider the video game console industry, with giants like Sony's PlayStation and Microsoft's Xbox competing fiercely on parameters like graphics, processing power, and exclusive games. The competition was intense, making the market space a bloody red ocean. On the other hand, blue oceans denote industries not in existence today, undiscovered and untapped market space, free from competition. Here, demand is created rather than fought over. There's ample opportunity for growth that is both profitable and rapid. In the gaming industry, Nintendo created a blue ocean with its Wii console. Instead of focusing on hardcore gamers, they targeted a broader audience, including families and casual gamers. The Wii's emphasis on fun gameplay rather than high-end graphics or complex stories appealed to this new market, creating a blue ocean. Strategy Canvas. An important tool the authors present is the Strategy Canvas. It's a central diagnostic tool and an action framework that graphically captures, in one simple picture, the current state and future possibilities for a company. An example of a company using a strategy canvas to create a blue ocean is Yellowtail, an Australian winemaker. Instead of competing with established brands on traditional attributes like aging quality or vineyard prestige, Yellowtail simplified wine, making it fun and accessible. They plotted these new factors on the strategy canvas against those of traditional winemakers, which showed a clear shift in strategy and customer focus. 4 Actions Framework and ERRC Grid. The 4 Actions Framework and the Eliminate, Reduce, Raise, Create Grid, ERC Grid, are tools that the authors propose to help businesses break away from the competition. Cirque du Soleil provides a compelling example. They eliminated the costly elements of traditional circuses like animal shows and star performers, reduced the focus on danger, raised the artistic aspect, and created a unique mix of theater and circus. In your business or personal life, ask these 4 questions. Which factors that the industry takes for granted can be eliminated? Which factors should be reduced below industry standards? Which factors should be raised above industry standards? Which factors, which the industry has never offered, should be created? 3 characteristics of a good strategy. According to the authors, a good strategy should have focus, divergence, and a compelling tagline. Apple's launch of the iPhone in 2007 is a perfect example. It focused on user experience, diverged from existing mobile devices by incorporating an iPod, phone, and internet communicator all into one, and used the tagline, "This is only the beginning," setting the stage for future iterations and innovations. Overcoming key organizational hurdles. Implementation is often the hardest part of a strategy. The authors discuss cognitive, resource, motivational, and political hurdles that companies often face while implementing a blue ocean strategy. They offer tips on how to overcome these obstacles. Southwest Airlines, for instance, overcame these hurdles with its unique low-cost airline model. Through strong leadership, clear vision, and employee commitment, they turned a traditionally red ocean industry into a blue one. Alignment of value, profit, and people propositions. For a strategy to be successful, the authors argue, the 3 propositions, value for the buyers, profit for the company, and people for the employees and partners, need to be aligned. Netflix is a brilliant example of this. They offered value to customers with a wide variety of shows and movies, ensured profit by using a subscription-based model, and motivated employees and partners by continually investing in original content. Sustainability and renewal. Finally, the authors explain how to renew blue oceans over time. Companies should continuously monitor their value propositions and innovate as needed to maintain their blue ocean status. Amazon stands out here, as they've continually innovated, from starting as an online bookseller to a one-stop shop for anything you could possibly want to buy, and more recently, becoming a significant player in the entertainment and technology industries. In summary, the blue ocean strategy encourages us to create uncontested market spaces instead of competing in overcrowded industries. With its unique tools and frameworks, it offers a roadmap for individuals and businesses to unlock new markets and growth opportunities. And remember, in the blue ocean, The possibilities are as vast and endless as the ocean itself. Thank you for listening. Like and subscribe for more content.